Hi, everybody. I am excited to tell you about my all occasion and Christmas card buffet that's coming up in November. So I'm planning to do this on Friday, November 13th. But if you're going to be here either of the days before that for Santa's workshop, what I'm going to try to do is have it so that you can do your stamping of these cards and take that with you to complete at home so you don't have to come a couple days in a row. So that's my plan, is to be able to offer it while you're here for Santa's workshop, or on Friday, November 13th, or by mail. So as I show you these cards, keep in mind I was very intentional about trying to make them really duplicatable and easy. There's not a lot of extra stamping on there. It's mostly a greeting and some embellishment, some embossing on some. But I wanted to make it really easy to do this class by mail because I know some of you aren't comfortable coming to classes yet, but still want to do some stamping. And so this way you can get the class by mail, just pay the postage, and you'll get all of this cut and ready to go for you to do at home. So let's go through and show you the options, and I'll tell you a little bit more about how the card buffet will work. So this is one of our gold foil printed cards that's in the holiday catalog. So this border around here, the foil border, is already printed on the card. I added some little accents here with the gems and then stamped the word peace, cut that out, and did the little bubble letter die cut behind it with gold foil. That reminds me of like grade school when we, did the fat bubble letters to spell out our names and all that. So this is one of the cards. Oh, there's a dimensional piece stuck to the back. They're everywhere. Here's another one. This one's got some designer paper, embossing, a little bit of glimmer, ribbon, some rhinestones. Again, they're pretty simple, but I just wanted them to be duplicatable, easy for you to do at home if you don't have the supplies, like everything that I would have here. This one, there is some stamping to do the little flower and leaf on this tree image, and then that's just some triangle dies. We have the stitch triangle dies that coordinate with a couple different stamp sets. The little pearl on there and ribbon, of course, some embossing, a little strip of foil paper, and then the greeting on that one. This one is a cute little snowman. I'm trying to see, I don't know if you can see on the body of the snowman here, I've got some Wink of Stella. So I'm not sure if you're seeing that shimmer, but it shimmers in person. And then I added a couple rhinestones there and these iridescent snowflake sequins on the background. Again, just a really quick and creative, simple, lots of designer paper on all of these. Just makes it really easy. And then this one here, there's some red rhinestones on there that kind of blend in. So those are, let me scoot that aside for a minute. These are the 6 options. Let's see if I can squeeze them all in here so you can see them at once. I'm not sure if it'll work, but these are the 6 options for Christmas cards for the card buffet. So what you can do is say, you have to do a minimum of 20. You can do as many as you want, but you can say, I want to do 4 of those, 5 of those, 1 of those, 5 of those, and 5 of those. You can totally decide how many of each one you want to make, just so that when you add it all up at the end, you end up with 20. They're $1.25 each, so you'll end up doing 20 cards with envelopes for $25. But you can do more if let's say you want 25 or 30 or however many you need, you can definitely add to that. It's just a minimum of 20. So that is the Christmas card buffet. Like I said, some pretty simple cards. I like to, sometimes do a little more stamping and stuff on the background, but I just wanted to make it very duplicatable for people to do as a class to go or by mail, if that's what people are more comfortable with this Christmas season. So these are the 6 Christmas card options. But wait, there's more. So what I'm also doing, because it's been so long since I've had a regular all occasion card class, is I made up 4 all occasion cards that you can do at the same time as the Christmas card buffet. So these can be worked into your 20 minimum. So you might want to do 10 Christmas cards and 10 birthday cards, or whatever combination you want. I'm actually going to post an event here in this group with photos of all the cards. So when you RSVP for the class, you'll tell me, I'll number each card. And so you'll say, I want to do 4 of number 5. And it'll be really easy once you see it all. So again, these are very, very simple cards, but very duplicatable, very easy to do on your own at home if you need to. Most of these, all the birthday greetings on these cards are from the same stamp set, which I'm not remembering the name of off the top of my head, but I will comment with that in case you want to do it by mail and want to get that stamp set so you can do them as they're shown. So this is one. This one I thought could be potentially a little more masculine. It's got some bright, the bumblebee is a little bit of a brighter color, but I thought that would be a good masculine birthday card. And then there's this one. I love these colors together and the different plaids together. This is a real easy label. Some little pearls on there. There's that one. This one is just bright and fun, even though it's not necessarily the time of year where you use brighter colors. I think it's always appropriate and good for a birthday card to have bright, fun colors. So there's that one. This one I made as a sympathy card, but you could definitely change the greeting. And for that matter, you could do a thank you here, or, there might be a little thank you or something else for this one too. So whether you're here in person for the class or you do it to go or by mail, you'll get all these pieces. So this will be a white piece of cardstock. You can stamp whatever you want in there. A white circle, you can stamp whatever you want. So it's entirely up to you what greetings you put on here. Okay, so I think I've covered everything. Friday, November 13th is when you can come if you just want to do any of these cards for the card buffet. If you're already coming for Santa's workshop, which is the 11th or 12th, and you want to do some of these, I'm hoping to just set up a table where you could do your stamping. So you could stamp this or stamp this, any things like that, and then take it to go to do your assembly. You can also do it by mail. Would just have to add the extra on for postage. And like I said, just pretty simple cards that I think will be duplicatable, easy for people to do if they're not able to attend in person. I think that's it. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Like I said, a minimum of 20, but you can do as many as you want to. I'll number them or in some way make it obvious when you sign up so that we both know for sure how you're signing up and what you want to make. So I think that's it. I'm excited to do this class with you, whether you're here in person with me or if you choose to do it by mail. I'm just excited to have some things to offer and get stamping. So I will post the event, so look for that very soon. All right, have a great afternoon.